Hello crypto traders, happy new year. In today's video analysis I will talk about the Dogecoin versus the US dollar and about maybe a potential imminent upside breakout. But first of all, please read the risk disclaimer. It's important for you to understand the risks before trading on cryptocurrencies, CFDs on cryptocurrencies, yeah. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like this video, please comment right below it, please share it, and also please, you can access the link posted right below this video if you want, of course, to join our free Telegram group. Yeah, if you are not a VIP member or something, if you want to become a free member, if you want to get more free content or something, please hit the link posted right below this video to join our free Telegram group. So here is Dogecoin versus the US dollar. And I believe that I've talked about this support zone 0.1392, 0.1620. The price has registered only a false breakdown with great separation below and through this support zone. It has found support here on the lower medium line of the descending pitchfork, breakout above the medium line, and right now something like a sideways movement here right now in the short term. And personally, I believe that something like this, I will select another color. So I believe that taking out the immediate resistance levels, so the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, this is the upper medium line, which represents a dynamic resistance. So a value breakout above it, a value breakout above the immediate downtrend line could signal that the price of Dogecoin could turn to the upside, could maybe register, I don't know, an upside reversal or something. So that's why personally I will keep an eye on this cryptocurrency. I will look for long opportunities, because also technically, as long as it stays near the upper medium line, maybe the price action indicates an imminent upside breakout. So maybe I'll wait for something like this, maybe for the price to jump to make a value breakout, to jump to close above the downtrend line, above the upper medium line, maybe above the weekly pivot point 0.1788, to come back to retest the broken levels before jumping higher, before developing a strong upside movement and momentum. Okay, so this is what I want here on Dogecoin versus the US dollar. And yeah, I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for buying opportunities here, because here we have something like a major and strong demand zone, support zone, and I believe that this scenario could bring us maybe new long opportunities. And let's use also, one moment, let's use also something like an outside sliding parallel line here. So I will draw something like this, sliding a parallel line. And maybe I will put it here, yeah, in this top, yeah, something like this. And also this line is seen as a dynamic resistance, and that's why personally I'll wait for confirmation here, even if the price continues to move sideways, test retest, or something like this value breakout could bring us new long opportunities in Dogecoin. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, please like our videos. You can learn a lot from our videos. Please comment right below my videos. Please share them. It is important for us to build a strong community on the YouTube channel as well. And personally, I will try to host live webinars in the, I don't know, coming days, weeks, months. So yeah, also don't forget, please access the link posted right below this video to join our free group. Thank you guys.